I was just trying to settle down, okay? After what was a pulsating game between, okay, Ginebra and Meralco. And then I asked myself, sino ba next game nitong Ginebra? And then, OMG, it's Ginebra, Alaska on Wednesday. Wow. Napawaw na lang ako in front of my laptop. Is that a wow game? Is that a sure wow or HUWAW game? Wow game.
I think this is a game that everyone wants to see because this is the #1 team in the league right now.
Which is Alaska?
Yes, and the hottest team in the league, which is Ginebra, which has won, what, six straight games, I think? Yeah. And Ginebra won through Maclin's shot, game winner, and Mac Baracael even stepped up, even though Kagiwa has been sitting out for, what, 2 games?
More.
More ba? 2 or 3 games? And guys have been stepping up, and that's a good sign for Ginebra. And this is going to be a very crucial game. If Alaska wins, that's their 10th win. That will secure their top 2 seed na. And Ginebra, if they keep on winning, they have a possibility of gaining the top 2 spot. Also, care of Magoo.
Yes.
You researched, huh?
You've been Magoo.
Yes.
Happily Magoo.
Cite my sources.
Pag mali, sa kanya kayo.
And Magoo is virtually believable. So,
sometimes.
Ikaw naman, Chuck, I'd like to know the point of view of, if you're an Alaska fan, why would you be excited to watch Alaska Ginebra?
Because it's, well, for many reasons, but I think the first is, medyo misleading kasi yung victory ng Alaska over Ginebra in when they first played, because that was Maclin's first game and he wasn't as ingrained into the system of Ginebra is right now. Plus, all Alaska fans, whether you love him or hate him, actually, their eyes are always on Mac Baracael when he plays for Ginebra. And when he played well yesterday, parang, uy, teka lang, gumagawa na si Baracael, And that's something to look forward to, because Baracael said also in his interview after the game, he's looking forward to repeating what he did versus Meralco against his former team, Alaska on Wednesday. So that's something that Alaska fans are looking forward to as well.
Ganun ka big deal para sa Alaska yung pagkawala ni Mac Baracael? That this becomes like a legitimate subplot pag nagharap yung...
Well, just because Baracael really was a very productive player for Alaska last conference, and for me personally, I like Baracael for Alaska last conference, and I'm happy to see him actually do well in Ginebra last game, no? But I want to see if he has something prepared also in store for Alaska.
Mayroon siyang extra emotional boost. Okay, feeling mo parang meron. Give one compelling reason ba't kailangan panoorin ng Alaska versus Ginebra.
Calvin Abueva, Barangay Ginebra fans.
That's it? Is that simple? What's going to happen?
I don't know. That's the best part.
For sure, he's going to be booed by the Ginebra. For sure.
Yeah.
Diba?
And then, knowing Calvin Abueva, pag binu mo yan, nag-iiba lalo yung laro niya eh. The more you hate on him, the more intense he plays. So, tignan natin kung ano yung magiging result nung Calvin Abueva versus the entire brand.
Hindi ako magugulat if may fan pumila sa box office, bumili ng pinag-ipunan, bumili ng ticket para lang mamura para lang ibu. Di ba? Para fine to give out some curse words for Calvin Abueva. Di ba? Malamang.
Yep. Titiisin niyang hindi mag-cheer para sa score ng Ginebra. Para lang ma-conserve yung energy. Para mabu si Calvin Abueva.
Ha? Yun. So, according to Magoo, use propane. Kasi fiery. Propane language.
Tsaka Abueva likes messing with imports eh. Yun yung napansin ko eh. Lalo na against Shundov nung Friday. No fear.
So parang he can actually do that to Maclin. He will do it to Maclin.
He will.
He will do it to Maclin.
Clearly he will.
Clearly. Shout out from the stands. Clearly. Charles, as the coach here, give the viewers a compelling reason from a coach's point of view, bakit dapat panoorin ng Alaska Ginebra? Talaga
Greatest answer!
Parang na medyo lumilinaw na, no, kung bakit yung Barako
pwede ba as a fans point of view?
Sige, fans point of view nila. Sige, kung nahirapan ka sa coach,
masakit na kakaisip.
I'm sorry ka pala, napapagod ka na kakaisip.
Puro may talo. I I like to see
Okay.
LA Tenorio go against his former team. Don't forget, that's still his old team.
Tingin mo, may ano pa rin? May issues
naman.
pa rin?
I'm
Bakit?
sure.
Why? What?
Meron yun.
Why nga? Why?
He's been there for a long time.
He's there for a long time, you know.
And then
They
tapos,
traded him away.
Feeling ko, he's in a better place eh.
Ayak ka na naman eh. May pinadala ka na naman sa better place eh.
Di ba si Josh Urbistondo kalaban sa Admin Cote?
May
ganun.
ganun.
Baka si LA maglabas ng ewan ko, pero hindi naman ganun si LA masyado.
But you think that there is may emotional investment sa LA to try and beat?
I'm
Is
sure.
it beat Alaska or beat some people in Alaska?
I don't know. Could be both. Possibly, di ba? But I'm sure any player who goes against his former team gusto niyo talunin yun, especially if you trade him away.
Kaya maganda lang yung maganda lang yung Global Port versus Barako.
Yun.
Ikaw, yan. May ano ka ba? May...
Revenge!
May...
Wala. Great organization.
Masyado ko na sarcastic, Carlo ah.
Ginawa ko! Ayan. Ayan.
Strike two!
Ayan.
Strike two!
Ayan.
Strike two.
Okay, so this sets up perfectly the thing that people wait for every time we have a preview episode. Our bold ito na naman. Our bold predictions. And ito, ha? Maraming fans ng Alaska, maraming fans ng Ginebra, ha? So wala nang play safe dito. Let's do this. Charles, Alaska or Ginebra? Go.
Teka lang.
Kaya mo yan.
Perfect ako last week eh.
O di, ano dapat confident ka? Go.
Yes,
Choose one. Who wins?
Ginebra.
Okay, Carlo.
Alam mo?
Ano?
Alaska.
Bakit?
Hindi na ako last week eh. Panindigan ko na.
Panindigan mo na. You see you're on a streak. Okay? Chuck. Wait, dalawa. So, wait, ano ka? Ginebra, Alaska.
Alaska Aces.
Why Alaska Aces?
Buong name pa.
Bias siya eh.
Siyempre,
Bias.
The Alaska Aces.
No, humbly, unbiased. No, just very quickly, it's Alaska plays the slowest pace in the league. And that's what they're going to do to match up against Ginebra, who's going to try to run.
Okay.
So if they can do
Wala nang
that...
explanation. Sagot lang.
Kaya I started with Alaska
Eh,
Aces.
kung mali ka na, mali ka eh. Wow.
Alaska Aces.
Okay, so ano na? So, dalawang Alaska, isang Ginebra.
Ang track record ko, never pa ako
Daya mo yan! Sabi mo! Ikaw pa naman yung... Ginebra ka! Ikaw pa naman yung player dito! Come on!
Ginebra.
Yun!
Wow!
Oh, the clincher.
This is a first!
Huwag kang lulusot.
Oh.
Tutu.
So, I'm shocked. He chose Ginebra. Okay, I'm going to trust my gut feel. Gut feel lang to, ha? Gut feel.
Kami rin naman, gut feel lang eh. Wala magpapalusot, ha? Okay, go.
Ginebra! That's it. So,
Alaska fans, attack!
bakit ba?
Talo tayo lahat dito.
Winning streak.
Gatas
Okay.
Republic.
Tatlong Ginebra, dalawang Alaska. Let's see who gets it right. So, Alaska, Ginebra, must watch absolutely.